Hi, hello everyone, welcome to this channel. On this video, I'm going to show you guys if you are facing like me, my laptop Dell XPS, I think have problems on the touch screen because my mouse suddenly gone, and actually I realized that my mouse keep turning around here top corner. Maybe my touch screen did something wrong. So uh, for for a while I have to disable this screen. How to do it? You just press right click on the Windows here and then click Device Manager. And then you find these human interface devices, and then you search for HID compliant touchscreen. So I already disabled this touchscreen. So if I want to enable, I just click enable. If you want to disable, you just click disable device. So after you disable the device, your touchscreen will not be available, which is it's supposed to be solve your problem if your touchscreen or your screen is something wrong on the screen, auto click or keep churning on certain area or particular area, etc. So that's it, very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. I hope it's solving your problems like me, and see you on the next video. Bye bye.